Work on a new expressway between Varanasi and Kolkata has started. The expressway will run through four states: Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. The initial phase of the project is already in progress and runs from Varanasi to Chainpur in Bihar's Kaimur district. This is a 27-kilometer stretch and the land for it has already been acquired. Expressway to be constructed in 13 phases. The new expressway is being constructed in 13 phases and will cover a total distance of approximately 610 to 690 kilometers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the project in 2024 under the Bharat Mela scheme. Currently, it takes approximately 12 to 14 hours to travel from Varanasi to Kolkata. However, after the construction of the expressway, the traveling time will be reduced by half. Individuals will be able to travel from Varanasi to Kolkata within 6 to 7 hours. Expressway will pass through 18 districts. The expressway will pass through 18 districts in total. From Varanasi, it will enter Bihar through Chandauli and then pass through places like Bhabua, Sasaram, Aurangabad, and Goya. After Bihar, the route goes through Jharkhand covering Chhatra, Hazaribagh, Ramgarh, Ranchi, and Bokaro. In West Bengal, it will go through Purulia, Bankura, Bishnupur, Panchkura, Holdia, Diamond Harbour, and finally reach Kolkata. Speed limit to be 120 km per hour. One of the main attraction of the expressway is that the traffic can move at a speed of 120 km per hour. This implies quicker and smoother journeys for all. Besides, this road will also facilitate trade and tourism between the four states more easier. Project details and costs. The expressway is being constructed in the greenfield category and will cost around 35,000 crore. The biggest segment, approximately 323 km, will be in West Bengal. At the same time, the shortest part, 222 km, will be in Uttar Pradesh. Bihar will have approximately 169 km and Jharkhand will have 196 km of the expressway. Boost to economy and employment. The expressway will improve travel time and being many benefits. For instance, it will help boost farming, local industries and businesses. Thousands of jobs will be created during its construction. Moreover, once it is ready, lakhs of people will get better road connectivity between important cities and towns. Thank you. Follow our channel for more latest infrastructure updates and railway updates. Like the video and subscribe the channel. We